Olivia's first puppet show. Take one.
One for Jackie. Hi, I'm Scotchy Jack. How can I try?
Here, can we take out your binky so that we can understand the puppet show? Okay, go ahead.
Hi. Hi, you want to play with me?
Aw.
You want to play with me, Jack? Oh, he doesn't like me. He doesn't want to play with me.
Of course he does.
He doesn't like me.
He doesn't like you?
I
Could that possibly be because you pull his tail and smack him in the head? What you doing, babe? Is this part of the puppet show?
No.
Okay. Should we start the puppet show again?
Yeah.
Okay. Olivia's first puppet show. Take two.
One. Oh, Jack, you run forever. Oh, he's a dash. Okay. Hey, Jack. Jack got my puppet thing. Jack, no.
This isn't going well. Did Jack eat your puppet?
Nope. He's fine.
Oh, good.
I don't feel any to it.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Jack. Give it back. Drop it. He dropped it. Good. Goodbye.
This isn't going very well.
I'll try again.
Okay.
Don't chew it this time, Jack.
Are you feeding it to him?
No.
Please don't.
Can you give my binky to him?
No, I'm not going to do that.